About to my head. And see, Pachamama and Fancy organization and about my head. Nana Gentle. And bring me a trouble, not just like, oh, dear, I put in the park, Kumasa and Degotoko. I was so one that you was not Kumasi, I was so just a bit of cry. Nana about my head. The more failure, Tintin Kama, he never Patano. But someone about my head. Nana about my head. And that's it. The more I found a deeper, and Nana do what you want. What we are putting you now, Sabre about to Matrasi. Now, but inform me, Nancy. Sir, Nana Chips so free no one. It is another Chima Babudia, and not for Suchia Boko. Joadia, to say, you know. Yayi penning for you saying ye chairman or what's now a polity at Yamaya. Now, in some of the dear Manaefe, Mofanche said a higher tight, but a very crack. But your penny, ya what's an polity, and we decided what this would be a one. And the professor, Dr. Yao Biu, consultant, occupational health, or physician, or say a chairman, CEO. Bramo Medical Center, Abrankasi, Lake Road, and our former director, University Health Services, KNUST. Fatron
said, Neo Ma, at the Achi, Nai, Shiawa. Yeninanim, Adia, MC, I can be brave. I demand Africa Gold Awards. Yadema, Yenia, Yamma, Ya, Omo, you, Omo, Esibo, Omo, Juma. Primary grade, so after Bebre, yeah, on the Aqua, among 4 Bebre, our Ghana, ACCP Group, Alliance Creative Community Project International, who are part of the United Nations Economic and Social Council. Among never my awarding, one name in the Yama, Nipa, or Moisha, Ewaha, Nipa Bear, a Union, a minimum, Ewa, Fufrobia, the Mammo, Jamu, Idua, Nasa and Lemring said the AC Kang, a Dumacasia, immediately. Nasa me, Anna. Actual seems to say, men are mixing anybody and I'm met a Jumadi and young person of my media. Like a sharp onion, young and a Yamaman. Into the Metan is a Medamuna Masi, a Jumadi Mamma, my soul. Now, Mr. Muna Momoa, Tembo Boy, the dear children and a daughter. So, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nananum, welcome to the Africa Gold Awards under the auspices of the United Nations and ACCP. It's our time. As I tell my Munusha, as I go to 41 more, we need them as here. Next in line, Bantama, Samishemwa, until I may make an anti. I need your consoyama, Nana Bantama, and let's not say my time to do so, but I won't night in Quay before. So I have some fancy. I have some, but the management has a better. Nana Bantama, but all the transit. And I couldn't about no I'm better to say for my because the way I didn't say.
Mr. Chairman, Professor Dr. Yaubio, members of the High Table, invited guests, honorable nominees for the various awards, the organizers, traditional rulers, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Dr.
Worth it. Amen. The reason God always bless name is that everybody has a name, and your name has a significant and important role to play on this planet. As some of us one day will die, but some of you, your name will never die, because so many prophets and leaders are dead, but still their names are still remain. To extend, we worship some of them up to Jesus Christ, the Son of living God, and Prophet Muhammad. Their names still remain, as Jesus said, in my name. It means, name means a lot. Same as the nominees in their names, they will be honored tonight by African Heroes Foundation, United Nations Economic and Social Council member ACCP International, and Institute of Chartered Professionals in UK for various awards. The names of the nominees are Archbishop Dr. Nicholas Duncan Williams, Prophet Dr. Sifas Kwame Pega Tamaklo, Prophet Dr. Daniel Amwatin, Reverend Dr. Martin Fojo Jr., Dr. Nana Okwanjima Kweku, Dr. Bernard Enchibu Esiaku Untumi. I like that name, you can't. Dr. Kweku Otin, Dr. Nana Bawa Afiamwa Kutuku the first, Prophet Dr. Emmanuel Bedukobi, Prophet Dr. Victor Kusipwatin, Dr. Nikote Jani, Dr. Bafu Usha Mankwa the fifth, Reverend Dr. Victor Osei, Prophet Dr. Samson J, Honorable Dr. Bedu Kechre, Dr. Daniel Boatin, Apostle Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa, Dr. Manfred Techi, Dr. Harrison Tete. They are to receive citations, plaque, certificate and of achievement, and honorary conferment letter of doctorate from ICP UK in support of their work done for humanity and the nations. These people were not selected by gender, beauty, color, or religion, but their hard work and self-dedication to Ghana and international world. All nominees are also entitled to enjoy any future benefit to the organizers, especially from ACCP, in our part of the all benefit from the United Nations Economic and Social Council. All events, seminars, conferences, and trade events within the ECOSOC of UN, you will be registered for participation if any of the nominees so wishes. Lastly, we have so many projects, events, and programs to be executed very soon. You will be therefore informed in due course for collaboration.
Please put your hands together for Dr. Alex Kwame Appiah, Board Chairman, ACCP International. Kubata United Nations. We are seeing now the show Munsa. I'm saying Jabia Crown, ya papa of Portable. Moi Motako, your friends in Suyaquano Suono, and that's why I need to work and see one of the models of power for workers. Move us the book and say Chana Pacho. Move us the book and say Chana Quine. Abraham no Babet as a Sasuna, Nations Prophet, me Bonidi. Never challenge Zako, no smudging Shana Crow. See, no show me just after my you. What was some Nations Prophet? Also for super pardon. Yana Bechema Hinoso, Sir Bonidi Caneno, Mr. Sabre Watrasi, Ayana for Sujiabo to the second. A CEO, Giabo Oil Factory, in Son Swatras, Mufas and Workers and Farmer on Su. Emrana TNT, Mufan Chase and Tran as a sneer. Now just Emrana TNT and Evasa. Sabre went to one and one at the number of Chum. Now for your said awards number. Since awards, the doors of awards, Kuba 22. aduonu mienu na sabra meka awards ho asem yi mesra say yenua ma no so a mo serve small chops no na mo so mo na mu na mo ye kakra because e be chance acha awards na ne sa on be bonyo makope please man on bonyo one pe mu ye na ya sha awards na say